Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily download and install Microsoft SQL Server 2022 on Windows. Let's see. At first go to the web browser. I am using Chrome, you can use any web browser. On Google type Microsoft SQL Server and press enter. On pressing enter you can see it is directly showing the Microsoft website because SQL Server is owned by Microsoft, so click here. Now the official website is visible. Click on downloads. On clicking downloads, go below. Herein the two versions are visible for SQL Server 2022, the developer and Express. Okay, so I'll be going for the Express because it is a free edition. Okay, it is basically for production environment. This is for non-production environment. So I'll be going for the following Express edition. Click on download now. The download started. The installer will download. Here it is, 4 MB only. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now the setup will begin. Now we will select the installation type, basic, custom and download media. This will allow you to download the files so that you can install them later. This is for custom. That means what we are installing will be shown first. And this is for basic. Since we are going for beginner installation, so I'll be going for the basic step. After clicking, the license terms is visible. Click on accept. Now the installation location is visible. It will get installed under program files, which is fine. You can change the location from here, but I'll keep the default. 278 MB it will take only. Click on install. Now it will download the package and install it. Now the installation started. So guys, now you can see the installation completed. Same is written here. The first one is the connection string. This is used to connect SQL with other languages, with programming languages. Here is the log folder. So I hope you know what is the log folder. Herein the report regarding starting of SQL as well as errors will get reported here. This is the installation media folder. This is the resource folder. So we can directly click on connect now here. If the following is visible, one row is affected, that means it is successfully installed. Minimize. Now it is allowing us to click on install SSMS. SSMS is basically SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so this is like the UI version of SQL, which makes it easier for you to work around SQL Server. So we will install this also. What you need to do, just click on install SSMS. This is also owned by Microsoft. You can see the link of the Microsoft. So here is the download link visible, download SSMS, the current one. Click on it. So it will download 621 MB. So it is downloading. So it got downloaded, the exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize. So guys, the setup started. I'll just minimize this. So the setup for SQL Server Management Studio is visible. It will get installed here. You can change the location from here, but keep the default, which is fine. Click install. Now it will load the packages and install. Guys, you can see we have successfully installed the Management Studio also. Click on close. Now let us open it. Go to start, type SQL Server Management, and here it is. The Management Studio 19 is visible. Click on open. Now you can see the SQL Server Management Studio opened up. You can directly click on connect here. Click connect. It opened up. Okay, now the database section is visible. Let us quickly create a database. Go to new query and click on it. Okay, now you can change it to, let's say, 200% so that it's visible. Now I'll type a command, SQL command, create database, to create a database, and let's say the database name is AmitDB. So I added the same. This is the command create database, and I added the database name. You can add any name. Okay, I'll just select it and click on execute, and this will create our first database. Commands completed successfully. Now I'll click on refresh, and under this you can see the database is visible. You can directly click tables from here. If you want to learn how to create tables and perform all the operations, you can refer a complete SQL Server tutorial. The link we have mentioned in the description and pinned comment. Thank you for watching the video.